Understanding, it's guaranteed, in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, it's guaranteed. This phrase is commonly used in English, and understanding its nuances can really enrich your communication skills. Let's dive in. It's guaranteed is a phrase used to express a strong assurance or certainty about something. It's often used when someone is confident that a particular outcome will happen or a specific condition will be met. For example, if a company says, "It's guaranteed to last 5 years," they mean that the product is certain to function for at least 5 years. To better understand, it's guaranteed, let's see it in various contexts. 1. Promises and offers. This blender comes with a 2-year warranty. It's guaranteed to work, or you'll get your money back. 2. Expectations and predictions. With his skills, it's guaranteed he'll win the tournament. 3. Advertising and marketing. Our service is fast and efficient, it's guaranteed. While "it's guaranteed" sounds straightforward, there are common misconceptions. It doesn't mean something is possible. It means it's certain. Also, it's not just about products or services. It can be about outcomes, results, or events. The phrase can vary in different English-speaking cultures. For instance, in informal American English, you might hear, "It's a sure thing," which carries a similar meaning. Understanding these variations can be key to grasping the essence of the phrase. That's all on "It's guaranteed." We hope this video helps clarify this common English phrase. Remember, it's not just about learning words, but understanding how they're used in different contexts. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.